Hello everyone. Today I explain you question based on the profit and loss. Okay. So the first question is Madhu sold a car for rupees 4,53,600 at 8% profit. If she spent rupees 5,000 for its transportation, what is the amount she bought it for? So here in this question, selling price is given to us, that is rupees 4,53,600. Profit is equal to rupees 8%. So let us assume if the cost price is rupees 100, then the selling price will be rupees 100 plus 8, because it is a profit, so that's why we added, and this become rupees 108. Okay. So now we are using this time unitary method. When selling price is equivalent to selling price is 108. When the selling price is 108, the cost price will be rupees. Cost price is rupees 100. When selling price is rupee 1, then the cost price is equivalent to, it will be less or more? It will be less. So we divide it. Now we are taking this one. When the selling price is 4,53,600, the cost price is equivalent to 100 upon 108 multiply 453,600. Now calculate this one. So you will get 42,000. 4,20,000. In the question, it is given to you that she spent rupees 5,000 for its transportation. She spent rupees 5,000 for its transportation. The actual cost price is equivalent to, what we do here, we subtract it from our cost price. So this will become 1,5. So this is the cost price of the given car. Okay class. Let's take another example of module 4, that is Ramdev sold 2 cows. For each cow he got rupees 12,000. On one cow he made a gain of 20%, on another he lost 20%. Find the total cost price, profit or loss, and profit or loss person. So just see how do we solve this one. Here the selling price is given to you, that is rupees 12,000, that is same for both cows. Okay. Now in first one he got a gain of 20%, in another one he's having a loss of 20%. Now just see how do we solve this. Let us take, first I am solving this one. Let the CP is equal to rupees 100. So the SP will be 100 plus 20, that is rupees 120. Now use the unitary method. When SP is 120, the CP will be rupees 100. When SP is 1, the CP will be more or less? It will be less. So we divide it. When SP is 12,000 rupees, 12,000. So CP is equivalent to, now we multiply. Can we cut? And 1200, so that is equivalent to rupees 10,000. This is the first one answer. So for the first cow, the cost, it is the cost price of first cow. Cost price of first cow. Now we find the cost price of second cow. So that is, now again we, what do we do? So next, now this time we use this one. So again we take, let CP is equal to rupees 100. So the selling price is equal to, now he is having a loss of 20%. The selling price will be 100 minus 20, that is rupees 80. Now again use the unitary method. When selling price is rupees 80, cost price is equivalent to rupees 100. You can do this question by arrow method also. When selling price is rupee 1, so cost price is equal to rupees 100 upon 80, because the value will be less. So that's why we divide it. Now when selling price is, now this one is 12,000 rupees, 12,000. So the cost price is equivalent to 100 upon 80. Now this time we multiply. So what is the answer? When we cut them, so we can divide it. You will get 15,000. You will get 15,000. So this time the cost price is equivalent to 15,000. Now this is the cost price of second cow, and the question is, you have to find the total cost price. So what is the total cost price? So the total cost price is, total cost price is 10,000 plus 15,000. It is equivalent to rupees 25,000. And the total CP also you find, SP also you find out. Total SP is equal to, because the cost price of both the cows is equivalent to 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So we add them. It is equivalent to rupees 20,000. Okay. Now next question, next part is that you have to find the loss or profit. Now just see the cost. The value of cost price is 25,000 and the selling price is equivalent to 1, 2, 3. Total selling price is, the cost selling price of one cow is equivalent to 12,000 and another one is also 12,000. So we add 12,000 plus 12,000. So that is equivalent to rupees 24,000. Here the value of cost price is more than the selling price. It means he is having a altogether he is having a loss. So we find out loss. The value of loss is 25,000 minus 24,000, that is equivalent to rupees 1,000. Now you find the loss percent. So loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. This you know everyone. So loss is rupees 1,000 and total CP, here we write down total CP, that is 25,000. Multiply 100. So in this way we cut these 3 zeros from here, and 25 into 1 and 4, that is equivalent to 4%. So he is having a loss of 4%. Okay everyone? Okay. Let's take the another example. The question is the cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price of 8 articles. Find the profit percent. So just see how do we solve it. According to the question, cost price of 10 articles is equivalent to selling price of 8 articles. It means he got a profit of 2 articles. Profit is equivalent to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Profit is the selling price of 2 articles. But here we have to find the profit percent. So what is the formula of profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So here we have a profit of 2 articles, selling price of, so we write down selling price of 2 articles upon cost price is cost price of 10 articles. Cost price of 10 articles multiply 100. But cost price of 10 articles is equivalent to selling price of 8 articles. So we change the term. So the selling price is selling price of 2 articles upon, it is equivalent to cost price of 10 articles is equal to selling price of 8 articles. So here we write selling price of 8 articles multiply 100. So it is, so we can write 2 upon 8 multiply 100. If we divide them, so we will get 25. So that is 25%. So the answer is he got a profit of 25%. Thank you class.